Hi everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Som Talks. Today we have with us Naman Malhotra. And Naman, why don't you introduce yourself?
I am Naman Malhotra. I was born and brought up in New Delhi, and I did BCom honors from Delhi University. And
Mhm.
after that, I did all the three levels of CFA. With
Okay,
that, I
great.
have So with that, I have 2 years of work experience,
Mhm.
and after that, I decided to do MBA. And now I'm here.
Okay, so can you tell us a little about your hobbies and interests?
Uh, there are two things I love to do. One is cricket, and other is running. And
Mhm.
I say this is the best campus to be there for. And with that, another thing that I really started doing in this campus is squash, and
Okay,
it is something very interesting you can do. So there are a lot of new things to do here.
okay, so along with all the academics and the pressure that is there, you are still managing to get your hobbies running as well.
Yeah, definitely. Like you have to work a lot. You
Mhm.
hardly get more than 6 hours of sleep or 5 hours of sleep. But when you get time, there's a lot of things to do in this campus.
Okay, so if I would ask you what all other options that you had and why did you choose SGM Som over them?
So I had all the CAP calls,
Okay,
IIFT and IM Shillong.
okay,
I chose this college because actually I had worked with some of the professors here for a project.
okay.
Yeah. So when I worked there, I had learned a lot and it was a very good experience for me.
Mm-hmm.
So the moment I got the opportunity to come to this college,
Mm-hmm.
I took it in a heartbeat. And right now, learning from them is really amazing for me because the diverse background of the professors and the
Mm-hmm.
new things I'm learning with also with the you know a term like Bloomberg Terminal and Citadel Lab is
Okay.
something very good for me.
Apart from academics, we can see that we also have a lot of biodiversity here.
Yeah.
So, how would you describe life here? How would you describe the cultural activities and all the communities that are there here?
So one of the best things when you come to this college is
Mm-hmm.
the batch size being small, you get to be friends with everyone.
Mm-hmm.
I know everyone here now, and but still they are from people all around the country, so you get to learn lot of new things from them.
Mm-hmm.
And in this campus, while we have a lot of work to do, we have a lot of assignments and projects, but with that, every weekend there's something new to do here. There's some event, whether from SOM or from IIT Bombay, and we get to experience that, and that is something amazing. And with that, this Mumbai life is something different altogether.
That
Coming
I
from
agree.
coming from Delhi,
Uh,
uh, coming back to my house just at 9 p.m. Here, there's no section like that.
mm,
The nightlife and everything is very good. As you can see, we also have like a lot of cute people here.
yes.
So you'll also get to meet a lot of them. And we also have animal welfare groups that you can also work with that. I'm also part of
Mm.
that, and this is something really good.
So you have a lot of time to spend with all these clubs and activities here.
Yes, you need some time management. It's not like you can do everything, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if you can do that, then there's lots of things you will learn here, and you get to do.
So focus on things, select a few things, and there is enough ample opportunities to involve
Yeah.
to get involved.
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay, so Naman, one of the concerns that I have, and I think many people have, is that you particularly have a profile which is so finance focused, right? You are a social level 3 candidate. So why did you choose SJM SOM over other colleges? And you being a finance guy, why did you choose a college which has an image of operations as a specific domain?
Yes, like I had mentioned before, while I was completing CFA,
Hmm.
I had worked here for a project
Hmm.
and getting to learn from some professors. I could say this college is much more than operations. We have some of the best faculty, not just for finance, but also for something like as marketing.
Hmm. Hmm.
And coming here, I agree to that. I've learned a lot from that, lot from the professors.
Hmm.
And with that, we also have so many opportunities in finance, like I talked about with the Citadel Lab.
Yes, yes.
I don't think any other college in India has that. A
Hmm.
quantitative research lab such as made by Citadel. We
Hmm.
also have Bloomberg terminals that I use very regularly to do my projects and also research for that.
So IITB ecosystem helps a lot. Right?
Yes, and another thing that we have and very few colleges have is our own investment fund. Yes, there's some very excellent people working there,
Yeah.
and we as students, if you become part of finance, you get to work on that fund and invest real money and learn from the market. It is something not
Okay.
many colleges would have.
Okay. So, Naman, why don't you tell us now about, since we are in November, so it's a month where all the aspirants give their CAT examination. So, why don't you tell us about your experience of CAT examination, your interview here at SGM SOM, so and the life after that.
Hmm. So I don't have much to say about CAT because it is very blur for me. I just
Hmm.
gave the exam and I scored good percentile.
Hmm.
And when I got the opportunity to give interview in this college, I was very happy. This college was my first priority to come to this college. And the interview experience, I would say they can ask you about anything and everything.
Hmm.
There's nothing that they can't ask you for. Like I remember the first question they asked me was whether you had tea or coffee in the morning.
Okay.
And luckily I had coffee that day. And
Hmm.
they suddenly asked me, tell me some recent news about coffee.
Okay.
And I was lucky that I read some news about that and I told them that. So I
Hmm.
think that really helped for my interview.
Hmm.
Except that they they do ask you for academics, but they mostly focus on the things you have done in your projects, in your work experience, and things like that. So I say just be confident, be comfortable, be friendly, and then you will have a good experience with the interview stream.
All right. So before we sum up our interview, if there is a brief advice in short that you wanted to give to MBA aspirants now, what would that be?
One brief advice would be right now, first, best of luck for your cat. I hope you do well. And with that, just read about the news and the market.
Hmm.
Overall, if you know about the news, most of the things you will just get to know yourself. I just follow
Okay.
that. If you do that, I think you will do good in life.
All right. All right. Thank you, Naman.